Okay, right now, I'm just getting the opportunity to basically test this front jack on a 4-post lift. This is the first time I'm basically using it again since it's been repaired. Okay, as you can see, what I have along here, um, technically, I didn't want to test it just right away. I wanted to actually test it with less weight, but at the moment it's holding its position. I don't know if you can see technically as if it's clocked on an angle. Okay, but technically this has to be looked into a little bit more. Okay, I just want to give a little visual on this. I'm gonna get this wheel back on because I'm not comfortable with technically how it looks, even though it is holding its position. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I have been using this lift, but I haven't been using the front jack. Okay, until basically now, just to test it out. Okay, so yeah, like I said, something about that front jack that technically I'm not liking, because it is basically sitting on an angle. Okay, come on, get in line. Okay, okay, that passed. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna have this front jack taken a look at again, because basically it's operating, but for some reason it's still not operating properly, and it was still clocked at a particular angle that technically I don't feel is a safe condition for it to be used, but the back can be used. Okay. Yeah, so like I was saying, technically, uh, now I got another vehicle here on a lift, but draining at the moment. But like I said, this red jack, there's nothing wrong with this. But the front, I'm still unsatisfied with this right here. Technically, this definitely needs to be fixed. I definitely do not feel comfortable with doing front suspension work here on this lift. If anything, I have to go to the alignment rack to get certain particular work done, which actually slows up my progress, because I basically use this area over here on this side of the shop to work on multiple cars at the same time. Okay. When it comes to lighter applications, I don't mind, but I do work on a lot of big body, heavy capacity type vehicles. So this is why I need this 4-post lift for that particular work right there. As you can see, I do use a 2-post scissor lift also. Okay. But yeah, that's basically what that is right now. I'm letting that other vehicle drain real quick. About to get that up out of here. We're getting towards the end of the day. All right. Okay, so pretty much I just got this finished up. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up the rest of this video right here, and to the next one. We're gonna check you later. Peace.